This is a textbook coping mechanism right here. It's supposed to read 80% of kids squander the money left by their parents. So what you say? You're not gonna become successful because there's a chance that your kids or grandkids spunk the money. You can do whatever you want to, big man or big gal watching this right now. I'm not going to not become successful, which is what I'm put on planet Earth to do and become. I'm not gonna not become successful because I'm afraid that my kids or grandkids might spunk the money and waste the money. Like, there is a chance that if you send your child to private school, allegedly a lot of kids get addicted to drugs going to private school, and that's another fucking coping mechanism as well. What about all the successful people that are not addicted to drugs? And furthermore, what about all the crackheads and cokeheads and weed heads, which you might be watching this right now? Did you go to private school? The answer is probably no. So at the end of the day, people get hooked on drugs, whether they went to private school or public school or whatever. So that's just another coping mechanism there as well. I'm not sending my children to private school because they might get hooked on drugs. 80% or 50% of kids that go to private school get hooked on drugs. Well, what about the people them that never went to private school? Do a survey. Go up to all the crackheads that you see and just ask them, just wanted to know whether you went to public school or private school. And that. They're going to tell you they went to fucking public school. So it's just another excuse, man, for cope. I'm going to make the effort. I'm going to be a successful man. I don't care. I mean, hopefully it don't happen. My kids and grandkids don't spunk the money in that, but I'm not going to not do it just in case, they might spunk the money. No, that's dumb. And the thing is as well, yeah, let's say someone like Jeff Bezos, he can put things in place to where, his children and it's so mad, yeah. Jeff Bezos is so successful, his whole entire bloodline are set. He can literally just put 1 billion in the bank account and the interest gets delivered to each of his kids and grandkids or whoever in his bloodline into the rest of eternity. That's the power of hard work. That is the power of being successful. But yeah, you can put things in place. Let's say like you're mega rich to where, like I just explained, a certain amount of money, the interest gets delivered to, the children or grandchildren's bank accounts every month. So if they spend that money, well, at least then they're not fucking up the principal. So I'm going to be successful. I don't care. I mean, I'd rather not have my children and grandchildren spunk the money and waste the money, but I'm still going to be successful. I'm not going to cope and pretend that, I don't want to become successful and, pass down my properties and that to my kids and that just in case they spunk the money and sell the properties and that. No way.